This video tutorial I will explain what is Scrum. Scrum is a popular framework used by teams to manage the projects, and Scrum is especially used in software development, and Scrum is designed to help the teams to work together efficiently and adapt to changing the requirements. Now we will see the key concepts of Scrum. The first point is team collaboration. Scrum emphasizes teamwork. It is like playing on sports team where each player has a role but work together towards a common goal. The second point is sprints. Scrum breaks the work into short cycles called sprints, and each sprint typically lasting 1 to 4 weeks. During a sprint, the team focuses on completing specific tasks or goals. This allows for frequent feedback and adaptation. The third point is product backlog. The product backlog is a prioritized list of features or tasks that needs to be completed. The product owner manages the product backlog, ensuring the product backlog reflects the priorities of the stakeholders. Fourth point is sprint planning. At the beginning of each sprint, the team needs to plan the work. They select tasks from the product backlog and commit to completing them by the end of the sprint. Fifth point is daily stand-ups. Every day the team holds a quick meeting and it is called daily stand-up. Each member shares what they did yesterday, what they plan to do today, any obstacles or challenges they are facing. Sixth point is sprint review. At the end of each sprint, the team demonstrates the completed work to the stakeholders, and stakeholders provides the feedback that will be gathered. The seventh point is retrospective. The retrospective held at the end of each sprint. The retrospective is a meeting where the team reflects on what went well and what did not go well and how they can improve in the next sprint. Eighth point is roles. The first one is Scrum Master. Scrum Master is like a coach for the team. They facilitate meetings, remove obstacles, and ensure the Scrum framework is followed. The second one is Product Owner. The product owner represents the stakeholders and communicate their requirements to the team. And product owner prioritize the task in the backlog based on the business value. The third one is a development team. It is a cross-functional group which is responsible for delivering the product increment. Now we will see how the entire Scrum flow works. Here you can see product owner, and the product owner will get input from executives, team, stakeholders, customers and users. And based on the input, the product owner creates a product backlog. And this product backlog contains the ranked list of what is required, what are the different functionalities are required, what are the different features are required. All those details the product backlog contains. Here you can see the team, and the team conducts a sprint planning meeting. In the sprint planning meeting, the team selects 2 or 3 top priority functionalities or features from product backlog that can be completed and delivered by end of the sprint. And team also break down each functionalities or features into smaller tasks, and the task will be assigned to each person in the team, and that is maintained in the sprint backlog. The sprint duration will be 1 to 4 weeks. The sprint end date and team deliverables do not change, and every 24 hours Scrum meeting will be conducted by Scrum Master, and in the Scrum meeting each team members share what they did yesterday, what they are planning to do today, and any challenges or obstacles they are facing. And end of the sprint, the work will be finished. At the end of the sprint, sprint review meeting and sprint retrospective meeting will be conducted by the team. And in the sprint review meeting, the team demonstrate the completed work to the stakeholders. to get their feedback. In a sprint retrospective meeting, each member in the team will share what went well, what did not go well, and how they can improve in the future sprint. Now we will see benefits of the Scrum. The first point is adaptability. Scrum allows teams to adapt quickly to changing requirements or priorities. The second point is transparency. Everyone knows what tasks are being worked on and the progress being made. Third point is continuous improvement. Regular feedback and retrospectives help the teams to improve their processes over time. Fourth point is efficiency. By focusing on specific goals in short sprints, teams can deliver value incrementally. Scrum is a team oriented approach to the project management that promotes collaboration, adaptability, and continuous improvement. Scrum is used across various industries to deliver high quality products and services efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.